Hi, I'm Dennis Hansen. I wanted to do a little maintenance video of how I take care of my Triumph Speed 4. So I did one on something real basic. It's lubing the chain, and it's not too hard, but I just thought I'd do this for anybody that's out there. Maybe they got a new Speed 4 and they want to see how to do it for this particular bike. I want to check that out. First thing you want to do is get it up on that rear wheel stand so you can spin that back tire. It can be a little tricky if you're by yourself. So what I do is I use a little strap. Make sure the bike's not going to flop over while I'm propping it up on the stand. Next thing I do is I pull out the bolt for the chain guard. Makes it a lot easier, gives you a lot more access to more chain. You can take a look, see how your chain slider's doing, just check, make sure you got plenty of clearance between your tire and the chain. Just makes it's a little better that way. Okay, so what I like to do next, get a couple pieces of cardboard, and I'm going to put one right here on part of the chain, and the other back here. Main thing is you want to make sure you don't get any of this chain lube on the tire. Okay, the stuff I'm using, it's called chain wear. It's made by DuPont. It's a wax-based chain lube. I find it works pretty good. So it is a good job to just spin the wheel, look at the chain, make sure you got everything pretty much lubed up. I like to look and just make sure the chain's, there's nothing wrong, there's no kinks. This one looks real good. All the O-rings look like they've got absorbed some lube, so I'm happy. Not too much mess. I like to keep it clean when I do it. Last thing would be put on the chain guard, let the bike down. To hand tighten these and then make sure they're both in, everything's lined up. Then just give them a little snug, not too much. chain guard's back on. Pretty simple. Okay, last thing. Get the bike off the stand. Now when I do that, make sure you put your kickstand down. Just in case the bike goes this way, kickstand to catch it. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.